Hi, I'm Cindy Donovan, and in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to expose the single biggest myth in e-commerce and how with this new breakthrough technology, you can turn your measly 4% commissions into 20, 100 or 500% payouts with exactly the same products as before. Now don't get me wrong, affiliate marketing is great. You can sell products without having to make them, pay for them up front. You don't have to keep them in stock or even worry about delivering them to your customers. But when you're selling physical e-commerce products, we've been told that taking low commissions is just a sacrifice that you've got to make, right? It's okay, I've been there. I know the frustration of working hard to make a store, fill it with products that I think are going to sell, and then suffer that disappointment when my earnings didn't even reach a whole dollar. Then I discovered a better way that lets me skip the middleman and go direct to the wholesaler, charge whatever I want while selling exactly the same product and pocket the profits. Maybe you've heard of this kind of selling. It's called drop shipping, and maybe you've even tried to do it and quickly discovered that finding the right products from the right wholesalers at the right prices and then going through the whole runaround needed to actually get that product to your customer turns out to be much more trouble than it's worth. I mean, let's be real here. You're online because you want financial freedom and the lifestyle that comes with it, not to be chained to your computer 24/7 dealing with technical hassles and time-wasting maintenance. You want easy, simple, profitable, fast. That's why I'd like to invite you inside DropGecko. DropGecko is a unique new eCom store building software that completely skips all the hard work, handing you a store filled with guaranteed hot sellers that earn you real profits without the fuss. That said, it's much more than just an amazing piece of software. It's an easy to follow 3-step formula for making money in e-commerce. A system you can replicate over and over again and scale up so you can easily grow your profits into a healthy full-time income. With DropGecko, you'll benefit from a super simple setup. With just a few clicks, you'll have your store live and ready to take orders. This is great news because you're not wasting your time on complicated technical stuff. You can dive straight into unleashing the true money-making power of the software. Cloud hosted and ready to go. We'll host your store and campaigns for you. You don't need your own hosting account. Heck, you don't even need a domain name. Even better, after you make your smart investment on this page today, there are no other hidden costs or components needed to make this work. Built-in product assistant. You'll get insider statistics for the best products to promote, including everything from the number of sales and number of social media shares to the recommended prices that you should set. You'll get access to the latest prices, color variations, sizes, and product types in that campaign every day like clockwork. So you've always got the newest of the best products at the best available prices online. Guaranteed wholesaler approval and management. There's no risk of being rejected or finding out that your country isn't supported. These wholesale providers ship to over 220 countries worldwide, and with our one-click Chrome extension, you don't even need to talk to them. Just click a button and it forwards all the customer shipping details, it places the order, and you're done. Automatic sales boosters. Use sales spiking techniques used by e-com moguls like Groupon, eBay, Walmart, Best Buy and GameStop. Add countdown timers for special offers, card expire urgency timers, buy buttons, on sale, bestseller, top rated tags and much more. You can get the advantages your competition could only dream about having right at your fingertips without any extra expense. DropGecko is a complete e-commerce solution. Dropshipping is actually just the tip of the iceberg. Many of our members start with our easy setup dropshipping solution and find that the income from this more than meets their needs. Our more ambitious members have taken full advantage of everything our software offers, including the ability to sell affiliate products or even digital products, setting up retargeting ready campaigns, using your own domain name, taking payments in different currencies, one-click checkout and upsells, and a whole lot more, all included without any extra hidden fees. Now, to be honest, you could achieve most of this on your own. You would have to pay for hosting and domain names and then spend hours upon hours on futile manual research in order to find the winning campaigns. Then there's the custom coding needed to create your actual eCom store and manage ordering and shipping the products over to those customers, which would also get quite expensive. But don't worry, I'm going to save you a lot of time and money today. However, I have to warn you, there's a catch on securing your copy of DropGecko. I'm only releasing a limited amount of copies available at the low introductory price you see below. Now, since this software is cloud-based and we take care of all the hosting costs, there is naturally only space for so many people before these servers fill up. Once that happens, I will have to close this page down until I can install more servers, and when DropGecko opens again, it's going to be at a higher price. Now, I know this puts a bit of pressure on you, so I'm going to do everything in my power to make your decision today extremely simple. You can grab your copy of DropGecko today, and if for some reason you don't see the results I'm promising, right now you're covered by my ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, because of the limited nature of this offer, I don't want to take up too much more of your time. So if you still see the buy button below, I recommend clicking it right now to secure your copy before it's too late. Once again, I'm extremely excited for you to jump in and get started. So click the button now, and I'll see you on the inside.